Notifications have their practical side, but when you get a lot of notifications, those sounds can be distracting when you need complete silence. And if you're looking for a way to turn off notification sound, make sure to follow these steps in this video. So to get started, for Windows 11, access Settings, click System, choose Notifications, then select the application you want to turn off the notification sound, then turn off Play Sound for Notifications option. But if you want to silence all application sounds, visit Settings again, choose System, go to Notifications, then uncheck Allow Notifications to Play Sounds. On Windows 10, go to Settings, click System, click Notifications and Actions, then toggle off specific app notifications, or mute all in Play Sound for Notification option. And that's all that needs to be done. You won't be bothered by those notification sounds until you enable them again. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.